created an article. Say I want to make some edits to it. That's very easy to do. From the article manager where you can see all of your articles, just click on the title of the one that you would like to make edits to. Once you're there, you can change the title, you can change the text, and you can even change the tags. If you want, you could change the status from published to unpublished if you decided that you didn't want to publish the article after all. So say I've made all of the changes that I want to, and I'm done. I just click Save and Close. And once I do, you'll notice that I get another confirmation that the article changes have been saved.